Went a little bit over the top. It's late in the afternoon now.
Look at this dude, look at this dude. Look at this dude. Let's block off the haters.
You never told me that. Are you recording?
Yeah.
This is rare, even though it's been under my pillow for like 5 days. Fuck you, Jason. Let's get him ready. Yeah. No cat? No, major cat.
Damn, chug it.
He peaked last year, guys. He peaked last year.
Whew, it is so easy to procrastinate during quarantine, but you know what? I'm procrastinating doing my homework by cleaning. So instead of like doing some studying, I'm like preparing my desk, do a little mopping, destroy the rest of my room. But that corner looks pretty good over there. So we're making progress, you know, a little bit by little bit. And you know the craziest part is I have like the excuse of, well, what else am I gonna do today? And I can't leave my house, so what else am I gonna do? We're slowly getting there. Awesome. I know that like it's late in the afternoon now, but I finally made some progress. Check it. Pretty hyped. Nice, have a little place to study. Super clean, almost there. So pretty hyped. Just trying to get a good habit down for so then when I'm grinding for grad school, I'll be ready. But let's get it. Awesome, just finished my meeting on my clean desk. Check out my setup. Went a little bit over the top, so then I look like this, all ready to go for photo booth. Dang, I haven't used this since like high school, low-key. Back in the day. Thanks, done it. First Zoom class of the day? Check. Only Zoom class of the day? Check.
They're trying to socially distance, they're not standing up on people looking too close to them. But it's the way it works right now is they have been given some emergency packs, essentially like gloves, masks, etc. But they don't put those on, they don't really use them.
Oh yeah.
Because it's basically my car. Yo, I haven't heard that in a minute. That's a lot of energy.
Pay your bills.
You know, things are crazy.
Happy birthday.
Yo, happy birthday, my G.
Right? When, you know, this whole shit's done. I don't like Jacob. Wow, thanks.